First question. Ayodhya Rama Mandir is located in which city of India? Option A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Karnataka. D. Tamil Nadu. Right answer is option A. Uttar Pradesh. Second question. Ayodhya Rama Mandir is situated on the banks of which river? Option A. Ganga River. B. Sarayu River. C. Yamuna River. D. Netravati River. Right answer is Sarayu River. Third question. Which epic is associated with the life of Lord Rama? Option A. Mahabharat. B. Bhagavad Gita. C. Ramayana. D. Shiva Puran. Right answer is C. Ramayana. Fourth question. How many years did Sri Ram go to the forest? Option A. 13 years. B. 12 years. C. 15 years. D. 14 years. Right answer is option D. 14 years. Fifth question. Which place is considered to be a birthplace of goddess Sita? Option A. Nepal. B. India. C. Ayodhya. D. Bangladesh. Right answer is option A. Nepal. Sixth question. Which state in India has the highest population? Option A. Karnataka. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Kerala. D. Maharashtra. Right answer is option B. Uttar Pradesh. Seventh question. What is the national animal of India? Option A. Elephant. B. Lion. C. Tiger. D. Donkey. Right answer is option C. Tiger. Eighth question. What is the national bird of India? Option A. Parrot. B. Eagle. C. Duck. D. Peacock. Right answer is option D. Peacock. Ninth question. Who is called the first poet of Kannada? Option A. Pampa. B. Ranna. C. Ponna. D. Kuvempu. Right answer is option A. Pampa. 10th question. What is the name of Sri Rama's father? Option A. Janak Maharaj. B. Dasharatha. C. Valmiki. D. Vibhishan. Right answer is option B. Dasharath. 11th question. What is the name of Sri Rama's mother? Option A. Sumitra. B. Urmila. C. Kausalya. D. Mandodari. Right answer is option C. Kausalya. 12th question. What is the Nada festival of Karnataka? Option A. Ganesha Chaturthi. B. Diwali. C. Yugadi. D. Dasara. Right answer is option D. Dasara. 13th question. Which is the first incarnation of Lord Vishnu in Dashawataras? Option A. Matsya. B. Kurma. C. Kalki. D. Buddha. Right answer is option A. Matsya. 14th question. Which district of Karnataka is called Kashmir? Option A. Mysore. B. Kodagu. C. Bengaluru. C. Vijaypur. Right answer is option B. Kodagu. 15th and last question. Who is the capital of Karnataka? Option A. Koppal. B. Raichur. C. Bangalore. D. Mangalore. Guess the answer and comment me comment box. Thanks for watching.